Hello and welcome to another update video about Natgas. Let's take a look at the adjusted wave count. Is there an adjustment? Not really, because I presented you two different pathways that the price could take, and both bullish because we broke recently above resistance. So yeah, let's take a look at these. So the yellow count is certainly invalidated. That was the idea of a very, very bullish direct breakout count without any deep pullbacks, yeah, of this last swing low. And I'm glad this doesn't work out, because it would have been just a FOMO move. So let's take that off the chart. I gave you a level in the last video to highlight which level needs to indicate, when will this count break, and it broke. But the other count is very much what guides us now, because in this scenario, we basically completed a 5-wave pattern to the upside, 5-wave move in, when was it here? Which day? On Tuesday the 9th, we completed that. And now we are likely in this pullback. I already added to the chart in the last video this support region. This support region is there to basically, support the pullback, you could say. So this area between $2.40 and $2.87 is very, very relevant for the bullish scenario, because we now have 5 waves up. So we can watch for a potential corrective pullback in this support region. Such a correction typically, plays out as an ABC structure. So let's label that. And at the moment, I would assume that we've seen an A wave pullback. This could be the B wave rally and the C wave down. This is sort of how I would see this ideally. Again, nearest support is $2.87. Then we've got $2.72, $2.59, and $2.40. Below $2.40, I would assume that we get a new low. It would just be lower than ideal for a wave 2. That's our warning level. Strictly speaking, such a so-called 1-2 setup and bullish thesis is not going to be invalidated until we break below $2.18, the December low. However, there is a big warning below the 78.6 retracement. So I don't believe typically that these wave 2s hold once that level breaks. In addition to that, we can also add the Fibonacci extensions. So let's assume the B wave might have topped. Let's double check that. Let me zoom in a bit, because there is standard resistance, obviously, for a B wave. Sometimes it overshoots. I mean, okay, but yeah, it reacted to the golden ratio, the 61.8 retracement. Yeah, very common target area, you could say, for a B wave. And then, okay, let's measure the target for the wave C. It could point us to the 100% extension level. That's around $1.81, sorry, $2.81. Between $2.81 and $2.58, I would say we have a specific target area that is even, basically in a smaller area within the larger support area. And yeah, what else is there to add? So obviously, okay, can I rule out wave 2 is finished? No. But it seems more likely at the moment, also due to the length of the wave 1, that wave 2 is going to extend a little bit. Also, the rally was in 3 waves. However, if we see a sustained break with a corrective pullback, I will assume the wave 2 is in. So that's the process. Yeah. So you could say a primary scenario, a lower wave 2. In an alternative, the wave 2 is already in, but I would need to see additional evidence for it, like a direct break above the wave 1 high. That is when I would assume the wave 2 has bottomed already, and then a corrective pullback would provide the next, let's call it entry point, okay? Also, bearish, possible, of course, it is this wave 2 that will prove if really something more bullish is going on. Surely a new low could still be coming. I mean, my way of tracking a bearish scenario is the support level. If 240 breaks, we'll get another low. Okay, so it's not like, we definitely go up now. No, we have here some levels to watch. We have 5 waves up. So because we broke resistance, and I can make a case for a 5-wave move now, by default, obviously, I track bullish until proven wrong. It's just sort of my process. If support breaks, okay, we make a new low, I track bearish, until we get a break above resistance. So that's how it works. But yeah, this is obviously a very young structure, still the first 5 up after a very long-term downtrend. Let's see if it holds, and the third wave should be quite aggressive. Okay, that's my update about Natgas. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you're interested in daily updates about the S&P 500, as well as regular updates about stocks like Tesla, Nike, we've got Meta, Netflix, many more, then check out our S&P 500 and stock service. You'll find the link in the description. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.